Hey guys, this is a quick demo of the Apellix Flight Logs Cloud Dashboard. So whenever an aircraft does a flight, we get the telemetry and the readings uploaded to the dashboard. So customers can log in and see the readings from their UT or DFT device, and as well as other information about the flight. So if we log in, so you can get a list of all your flights, and you can break it down by user or aircraft, or if you have multiple customers on your account. So we can see the users, and we can see the aircraft, customers, pilots, flights. So if we would click one of these, we can see all the flights by a particular device, and also we can go here to see all of the individual flights. So each of the flights uploads a CSV file, which we can download to load into Excel or whatever. And we can also click through on here to view in our internal reporting dashboard. So here's the raw data. Probably easier to look at it in the report view. So we can create a report, and we can pick. So this will create a graph and a table just for this whichever data we want. So we can just we'll just pick something random there. Oh, which you can do UT reading. There we go. That's useful. Yep. So here we go, and so now we can see the UT readings which are collected over time, and we can turn up the density, see a bit more data. There we go. Great. And we can also graph multiple things. Oh, and you can see the raw data here, and we can also graph multiple things. So we can. So if we pick a few random things, which are surface. Yeah, that'll do. There we go. So we can see. Let's see back down. We can see multiple things plotted on the same graph for comparison, and you get the table below. If we go back to the flight, we can also view the data on. Oh, let's view a different flight. Here we go. We can view on the heat map. So the heat map gives you a breakdown of here the UT readings, and you can mouse over each of these to see information on the individual reading. So this is the data which was collected at that point. So you can see here the CML number, and also things like the latitude and longitude, and anything else that you might want for that individual reading. We can also view it in the 3D mode, which is kind of neat. So here we can zoom in to see the breakdown of on an actual tank, and in future you'll be able to click here as well to view. Yeah, that's basically flight logs in a nutshell. So let me know if you have any questions.